Ah, finally.
I was just enjoying my tea. And this happened. Right? Well, the good thing is that it came out of his mouth instead of coming out of his butt, and we didn't have to pay a lot of money to the vet. Tried to find just one piece of AirPod. And I kid you not, dude, it was super hard to just order one AirPod. You can't trust Amazon, you can't trust any other online service. Luckily, I found Apple's link somewhere down in the community thanks to whoever that dude was. He shared the link, and I'm going to share that link in the bio. So you can order your own AirPods or AirPod case, left or right, or the case, whatever you want. So this is what I got today in the mail. So let me quickly open that. Sorry about using the spoon. That's all that I have here for now. And Apple was pretty quick about it. Like they sent it to me like overnight. So this is what I got. There's some shit here, but I'm just sure it's like my bill or something. Let me see. Oh, that's terrible. Oof. Ah, come on. Okay. Well, this is what I got. Oh, nice. Look, it comes with the instructions. Alright, fine, whatever. So, this is what I got. This is my old AirPods. And you can see one is missing. So, what I did here, it says assembled in Vietnam. And I'm just going to quickly open that. It's my big nails that I should have cut, and my wife hates it, but whatever. Okay. And there you see, there's just one AirPod in there. And it's the right one. So let's see how I can pair this. Man, this looks fresh. Wish my other one was this fresh. Okay, so what I'm going to do, as you can see here, that the light is green. Now I'm going to put this one in, and the light is flashing orange. So what I need to do is basically take it out of the fucking cover first. So I'm going to do that. And then what I'm going to do, while it's flashing, I'm going to hit that button at the bottom, this button, until it turns white. Okay, so this finally turned white. And let me just pair with my phone. And you can see it gives a pop up. I'm good to go. Also, for some people, let me bring my face in. So for some people, what's going to happen is that one AirPod would be on a different version, one AirPod would be on a different version. And to find out how to kind of sync them up and make them work, I'll probably drop a link in the bio or somewhere up here. So use that and you'll be able to pair them up. All right, peace. I